Virtual computer is unique for its secure purpose, which keeps your data protected from any kind of unauthorized access from the internet. That's why you need this for protecting your privacy. But there is some complication that you will face if you do not follow those steps during Hyper-V installation process on the PC. I'm gonna show you it with more detail. So let's have a computer screen. So first you have to go to through the task manager to see your virtual machine active or not. If your virtualization is not active, then you have to active it. Type the control panel and open it and go to the program and the features. Then you should turn on the Windows features, then select the Hyper-V. My Hyper-V is already downloaded, that is why it is activated. One more important thing, if you do not see or if you do not find this option, you will have to active it from your BIOS machine. Now this process is very important. You have to see it very carefully. You need to save this file with this extension .bat. I will give this file in this comment section. Now do this, run as an administrator. Probably it will take around 5 to 10 minutes. I already did that, that is why I am cancelling it. You have to wait around 5 to 10 minutes, and after that when you will see these types of pop-up, press the yes button. After restarting your computer, you will see your Hyper-V machine already activated. This is the most easiest process to active your Hyper-V machine. If you face any type of dilemma during that process, please comment over there, play your comment and try to give the solution of that particular problem. This YouTube channel and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, CompTIA and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.